Hello guys, and welcome back to yet another video. My name is Steve and my channel name is CryptoSimbaPassive, and this channel is to help people make passive income and how to make passive income really easy. And in today's video I'll emphasize more on AI trading bot that I came across I think a year or so, but I had to stop for a while because I had some financial issues and family issues, so I had to stop, but I started back again last year October. This trading bot is called Royal Q, and what this Royal Q bot does, it just trades for you, and this is how it looks, the interface when you come to the home page, and you can trade these using this trading bot, using these six trading exchanges, Binance being one of the largest and most popular. Now before I tell you how this trading bot works, let me just show you what kind of money that you might expect, because I've been in other people's social media accounts, pages, and I've been seeing the kind of money people are really making, and I cannot emphasize more, this is the right time. If you're not trading using a trading bot, I don't know how you're making money, because making money online, it can also be challenging. I've tried so many things online, but nothing has ever worked for me like this trading bot, and I believe in this thing, and I'm gonna do this thing probably until when I retire. So when I show you real quick, these are some of the people I know who are really making. Some of them, they're from Uganda. I myself am Kenyan. I'm from Kenya. So where okay, performance. Okay, look at the kind of money people are making, and these are per day. Every single day it's payday. Look, 592, 984, 3,899, 500, 700, and on and on and on and on. And you can see this is another account. This is another big account. This guy, he has been trading for quite some time. As you can see, $71,000. This is actually somebody who's made like 168 million, dollars. And he is Malaysian, because I think this is Malaysian currency. So when you are sleeping, people are making 8,000, 10,000, and so forth and so forth. And the list goes on and on and on. There's so many people I've seen this. I don't need any more proof. When I started seeing this, I got crazy, and I started trading. And so far, if you want to trade, you need to bind your trading exchange to this trading bot using what's called API binding. And the API binding, from the dashboard here you'll find it's there. So there is a simple procedure when you need to bind your trading bot to Binance by just following. I won't go to this video of how to bind, but at the moment I have already done binding on 4 exchanges. Right now I have on Binance, Huobi, HTX, Bybit, and OKX. And if you don't have crypto trading exchange account, I have links down in the description below. And also, if you don't have you have not registered yet to Royal Q, you'll also find a referral link down in the comments below, and it will help my channel to grow. I'm just starting. Basically, when you want to start trading, all you need to do is to select an asset that you want to trade. There are hundreds of assets here that you can trade. And basically when the bull run comes, because it's yet right on the corner, because as we speak, when I go to trading view, to check and see, today is the 4th of April and everything is on green, and these cryptos, they're gonna just pump like crazy. I have experienced a bull run, and we are heading towards the Bitcoin halving, and each time the Bitcoin halving happens, the bull run starts kicking in and we just make money on autopilot. So as you can see, Bitcoin has been coming down for a while. If I see on the 1 hour, on the 1 day, I think that you can see better. It has been pumping. As you can see, it has been really going up. It has really pumped since February, and as you can see here, it has been just going. And now it's coming to test the all-time high. It's coming to test, and once it breaks the all-time high here, and the bull run is coming, man, you should be in this thing. I don't know if you know where you should just come. I pray for you. Look for some money, get into this thing. No skills needed. Everything is autopilot. So for instance, you want to trade, let's say algo, and here algo. You just tap on algo, click understand, you click create martingale strategy, you select martingale strategy bot. Don't mind about these terms, just choose martingale strategy bot, click the create button, select the next button below, and then here you can click the trade settings down here. Once you click there, you can either create your own from scratch. Like I could say, these are the parameters that you're supposed to check. Let me take a better, I like the arrow better. There, that's the first buying amount. It's the amount that you want the bot to start buying, and the continually buying, let's say the $20. And then these open position doubles, you just put them off. And then margin call limit, it's when, how many times you expect the market to drop, and we should predetermine the percentage drop. Okay, and in doing so, and after that, let's say we expect it to drop, let's say 40%, because any market, crypto market, it can drop by around 40, even 50%, even 90%. But in the bull run, we expect it to drop maybe 20, 30, maximum around 40. So you'll also be prepared for that, because no one controls the market. And then here you put what kind of percentage profit you'd like when the bot closes your trade. And after closing the trade, there is the whole position take profit callback. It's, you know, when the market goes up, takes a profit, and sometimes it retraces, comes back. So what kind of percent? But now for us, we don't want like for it to retrace like 0.1. We like it to take that profit as quickly as possible. There's this buying, callback, and the distribution. Don't mind about all these things. All you can do is you can put your first buying amount, let's say $10. For Binance it can be 10. $5 is the minimum, but we should expect more profit in the bull run, so you can use maybe 20, 30, 40, depending on your capital. The more capital you have, you can put, the people who put even 100, even 200, 300, $1,000, depending on the amount of capital. But if you're trading, let's say $200 per asset, around $20 is okay. Margin call limit, you can put it maybe 20. And then here is where you need to pay attention. Here are the margin configurations. So when you click on the margin configuration, here you need to put these parameters. These parameters, you can change them anytime depending on how you see the market. You can say if the market drops, let's say by, let's say 1% after it starts a trade. So after it drops 1%, it should buy maybe one time the 20. Maybe it drops again one time, maybe 2%, maybe 3%, maybe 1.5%. But you make sure these margin call drops, when you add them all together till the bottom, because we decided 20, it should add up to around 40%. And each time it drops, it should buy maybe one time this multiple buy ratio. It will buy one time. Maybe in the next one here you can say it buys maybe 0.5, depending on the way you see the market with your research. But in my channel, I've already tested so many strategies. We call them strategies, and they are working just fine, and we would like to share those strategies with you. So after that, after you put all these parameters, you click sure, and then you save. After you save sure, then you can just come and click activate to start running the bot. Okay, activate, it's down here. So when you click activate, you confirm the trade starts running. But before you activate, you should pay attention also to the strategy mode. The strategy mode, I won't talk so much detail about what these mean, but you should select basically the down mode here, which is the sub-in mode real-time settlement. And once you do that, then you activate your bot, and there you are. So you'll be running trades like the way I have running trades here. Like today I've traded this CTSI because I expect to make a 2% profit. So you can see my parameters that I used trading these. My first buy was $40. I have 22 margin calls because sometimes the market can just dump, and I don't want to be greedy. I just want to take 2%. And the callbacks, all these callbacks here, this callback and this callback, don't mind about them for now. I've put them to 0.01. It means I just want to take my 2% and leave. And I can trade these on wait a minute, I need to move these. I can trade these on one shot, or you can trade it on cycle. But because I trade some on day trade and some I trade over and over again, so the one shot means it will just close this trade as soon as it clocks the 2% profit. But if I had it on cycle, it means that after it closes the trade, it will start all over again. But that's not the case that I want, so I just kept it on cycle. And sometimes you might have these, we call them floating losses. They're not actual losses because this bot is not configured to lose or to close any trade on loss. So the floating losses, over time they diminish depending with the market and the amount of capital you have, because the more let's say the market goes against you, it keeps on buying more and more and more, and suddenly when the market pumps, it just takes profit. So when you see red floating losses, those are not losses, those are profits. It has already bought, like for instance EOST, it has bought 19 times, and each time it has been buying, it has been kind of dollar cost averaging, and that is the magic of this thing. So you can bind this trading bot to other exchanges. I've binded this to around 4. I have it on Binance, I have on HTX, Bybit, and OKX. So I decided to diversify. There's some coins you might find them on Binance, and in some coins on HTX you might not find them in Binance, but they are good coins. And it's also good to diversify your risks, because with the market, with the online exchanges, something might happen, maybe a technical error, or maybe some bad news or something like that. So it's always good to diversify your portfolio into different exchanges. One thing I have to mention here it is scam free. Nobody will ever scam you money in these trading system, AI trading systems, because what the trading AI bot does, you only bind it to the trading exchange. It just opens and closes trades, and it also deposits your profits direct into your wallet. And it has a kind of a smart contract where you have to deposit the profits it makes for you. It has to take 10%. So you have to pre-deposit its profit in advance, minimum being around $10, or you can deposit more. So each time the bot closes a trade, it takes 10% of the profit, 10% profit, until it diminishes. When it diminishes, you have to redeposit again. So you'll be depositing only the amount of money you expect profit to make. But on your exchange, you can deposit as much as you want, and you are the only one who has the password access to your let's say Binance account wallet, and nobody can withdraw that money except you. So that's how safe this one is. I've lost so much money on online businesses, but here I never lose, and nobody will ever scam me here. So I have links to my social media handles, where I will be sending you trade alerts, trade signals, what to trade, what to do, how to set up these trades, how to do the configurations, the strategies that you can use. And over time, we're gonna make money. We have 2 to 3 good years to make money on autopilot. I have a very small account. I started a few months ago, and so far so good. As you can see, you're making money every single day. There's no day that you don't make. There's no day that you don't make. You can see the profit analysis. You can see the exchanges where you make more money, or what asset you make money on more. Okay, you can see the current profits. You can see I've been making from ING, I've been making most of the profits, and that's it. So if you guys are not already registered to this Royal Q bot, You can find my link down in the description below. It will really help my channel grow, and I'll appreciate. And if you're already a subscriber to my channel, thank you so much, and you're welcome again. Share this with your friends and family. Teach people how to make this. This is free money. You only wake up in the morning. Every single morning you see money in your wallet. Every single day. So I wish you guys good luck, and let's hope we make money in this bull run.